Tons of heavy rainfall and strong winds, so please be safe if you have to go outside. For News 12, I'm Luke Schwartz.